Alright, hi, Eli Loving here with Tikva Creative. So basically, I thought this week what I would do is kind of show you around my studio and how you should then find a corner of your house, your apartment, whatever it may be, and make it into your own art making space. That way, when you have a creative idea or a moment, you just jump right in and off you go. So give you the full tour, see how you like it. So here's my whiteboard. So here's my whiteboard. Gotta have that. Some drawings over there. So I kind of have several different areas where I'm making things. So got my project going here. So take a look at that. See some of that stuff. References. Not copying the artist though, the actress. Just using a reference. That's kosher. So yeah, there's our closet. Love that thing. Awesome. Oh, do some workout stuff there. Gotta mentally decharge and do other things. So here another area, so I'm doing more perspective and got some references there. And the big thing with references is not necessarily you're copying them. Really what you want to do is use ideas from them and present them maybe from a different angle. That way you are not necessarily just straight verbatim, but coming up with your own inventions, which is really important in terms of art making. So my Man from Snowy River picks. Probably my first idea for my comic that I'm working on and developing. Won't talk about that. So this one's really cool, and this is a picture from New Zealand up above, and then you got Frodo and Sam down below. So that's the location. There it is in real life. Got a rock. Got a rock there from that location, and then you can see the wood workshop. There's my darling girls up there. Got my computer, and hope in the next week or two to get a Wacom Cintiq. So really excited about that. And then last but least, the least fun part about making your own business and all those sort of things, the filing cabinet. So taxes are upon us here, and so we're getting ready for that, and fun paperwork and extra paper there and other ideas. So there it is. That's the roundabout show. So really I would just advise that you just find a place and if it's a corner of your, again, you have a small apartment or whatever it may be, take that corner and own it as if, and put up your artwork, all those sort of things, put up your ideas on the wall. Just flutter the place with all sorts of things that you can that will help create ideas for you. So I hope you guys found that helpful. As always, thank you for watching the video, and then subscribe, like, all those sort of things, comment below, and then we'll see you next time. Have a good day.